Oh, it's another lot walk here at Maple Motors in Hendersonville, Tennessee. If you're new to the channel, hit subscribe and share this video. We've got quite a few new rides right before Christmas break. All right, it's about that time. Let's do another lot walk. Okay guys, getting ready to do another lot walk up here, and Sandman Designs just blew me away. They made me a new custom emblem for the front of my car. It's not here right now. I'll put a picture up just to show you. This guy is awesome. Just a huge shout out. I come up with the idea and I tried to make it myself, and it worked for a little bit, but the glue started separating, and I'll show you. But what we're doing here is we're going to walk around, show all the new cars. We're going to tell you the year, the model, and we're going to move on. You'll know all the prices, and the prices are also at maplemotors.com. So be sure to go there. That's an important thing about our business, is to go to the website. There's an About Us section. There's 100 detailed pictures. There's finance options. There's shipping options. And it's super easy and fluid. And every Monday, I put out about 10 new cars. So 10 to 15. Yeah, see, shipping truck's already here, picking up something. All right, let's get started. Of course, front row. Here we go. 71 Chevelle. This one's got the turbo LS car, $39,900. See all those pretty Chevelles running down that way. Oh, tricked them going this way. Here's another Chevelle though. 1969 Chevy Chevelle convertible in orange, custom interior. $35,900, $350 under the hood on this one. Aftermarket set of wheels. I love that color. 1950 Chevy Coupe in pink. Pink interior. I mean, it's Mary Kate all the way. $15,900. Look at this thing. Pink wheels. Column, dash. They went all out. Real clean car. 1955 210 Chevrolet sitting here. This is more of a mint color. Interior matches a little bit darker. Mint and white. $34,900. Now, if you didn't know, every car here has got a test drive, and if it doesn't, it will. 1956 210 sitting right next to this one, and it's a 5-speed car, priced at $31,900. The other test drive consists of any issues wrong with the cars. We do that so you know what you're getting. What? This is new. 1957 Bel Air. This is a 4-speed car at $28,900. And these test drives will come out throughout the week. I think I've got 8 to do right now. With the holidays and stuff, I've been getting a little behind, but I'll tell you what, I'll catch right back up. 67 Newport, made by Chrysler at $12,900. And of course, next to that one, 1969 Impala. This one's green with a matching interior, and it's $15,900. Oh my goodness. 1968 Chevelle station wagon. I haven't actually seen this one yet, so I'm going to be test driving it today at $15,900. And then of course you got a 69 El Camino sitting right here, and it's only $16,900. Okay, it's a good start to the walk. Lots more inventory sitting out here, and I'll be back to show it all off. New Camaros. Yep, Pops' Hot Wheels room. Check it out. Jim Fights Hot Wheels channel on YouTube. This is on premises here at Maple Motors. So if you're interested, say, Pop, show me the Hot Wheels, and he'll bring you right next door. You can also find him on TikTok and Instagram. Go there, check it out, hit subscribe, and join the channel. We're going to pick a rando right here. The Snake. And everything is priced in the room too. All right, let's get back out there. Walking off in the showroom here, and you've seen this one before. It's a 1964 Impala. It's got a nice set of wheels on it now. Pretty cool. This one's priced at $30,900. Pops' car is not going to be for sale. He's going to take it home and start driving it here soon, so don't call about that one. 1975 Impala is available. 4G steering wheel at $22,900. And then of course that's around in here, so don't call about these. And if you want to pick up shirts, I have those available. We've got a few different styles here. Let's go for a ride in black with the red car. And they're 20 bucks each online, so go check them out. I think I've got 3X in this style and 2X in this style. So small to 2X, small to 3X. All right, let's get back out there. '75 Chevy Suburban 7950. Right next to that, 1983 Chevy Z28 Camaro 5950. 1993 Mustang LX car. This used to be a 4-cylinder, but is now the V8 with a Cobra motor, 5-speed transmission, $17,900. Pontiac Firebird from 1978, $15,900. Z28 Camaro with a T-tops from 1979. This one's priced at $18,900. Got the old Mustang sitting here. 1966 Ford Mustang, $19,900. White with a red interior. 1965 Mustang convertible, blue with the blue interior, priced at $29,900. Old Buick Skylark. She's red with the red and white interior from 1965, priced at $19,900. And then of course, all these cars over here, this is the sold bay. I'll show you that right before we leave here. And if we turn around, got a nice Nova here. Big old fat tires on the back from 1970. This one's $29,900. We're coming up on a 1972 Ford Thunderbird. This one's only $79.50. Right outside the office here, you got a 1967 Dodge D100 pickup truck. 392 Hemi, $19,900. Price has been significantly dropped on this one. Before we hit the front row, we're looking at a 2000 model Chevy Camaro. This one's got low mileage, T-tops, leather interior, and it's priced only at $14,900. This is the Z28 model. Now it's time to run that front row. You've seen the 71 at $39,900 turbo car LS. Next to that is another 71. This has also got the LS motor. It's more of a driver car at $35,900. And then of course you got another 71 sitting here, and this one's got the racing seats, and it's also $34,900. Got another Malibu Chevelle sitting here, 1972 model. This one's $29,900. True SS at $45,900. This one's from 1967. This is a convertible with the bucket seats. And then of course we got a 1964 Pontiac Le Mans dress up as a GTO. It's a drop top as well. $27,900. Okay, guys. Great start to a beautiful week. It's not too cold. Got a lot of awesome rides in. Got a lot of work to do. Well, if you want to call it that. It's fun driving these cars around. Let's pick us another row. Let's say start up here by the office, and then we'll run this row of Camaros. Hefty row of Camaros over there. What's your favorite car? You know, I'm a big Camaro guy. We'll pick at the end of the video. You can leave it in the comments and I'll check it out. 66 model Impala, maroon with the, was this tan interior? $25,900. '64 Chevy Bel Air. This one's black with a red interior. Only $22,900. '64 Chevy Impala. This one's got the 4-speed. Priced at $34,900. 1960 Ford Thunderbird. $21,900. 1971 Pontiac Le Mans in blue. $24,900. We try to keep them paired up. You know, we got 2 Le Manses sitting here. This one's a 72 model. Orange, black interior, convertible. $31,900. Running rows here. Of course, this Chevelle left out. 67 model. Got a 67 model Camaro here. Looks like flames on the hood. This one's also got the LS motor at $36,900. 68 model Camaro sitting here. This is a 4-speed car. Price $30,900. Another 68 Camaro. This is also new to the website. I really like this one. Convertible, red interior, red stripes. $32,900. Might have to just hit a Camaro day. 69 Camaro 502. This one's fast, guys. Bucket seats, $42,900. Oh, we do have a Firebird in the mix from 1969. Got a Pontiac Firebird sitting here. Bucket seats, $34,900. I guess they all have bucket seats, don't they? 67 Camaro sitting here. This thing's beautiful. Another new one. 4-speed car. Priced at $36,900. Then, of course, a 1969 AMC AMX red, white, and blue edition. Not a real edition. It's dressed up like that. It's got wild interior. It's priced at $29,900. Have we already walked the lot? I know I did it a little bit fast today, but we were zooming. Whole lot of new inventory, guys. Be sure to check out maplemotors.com. That's where we have our financing, our shipping, all the detailed pictures, and of course merchandise. It's a perfect time of the year to pick up merchandise. It's Christmas. Just kind of zooming around the lot one more time. Make sure we didn't miss anything. That is available. If I didn't mention it in the video, that means it's not available, guys. And don't forget, I do have a giant playlist. It says cars currently available. If you've seen some stuff, which you will, that's in this video that's not on that list, that means the video has not been made. But throughout the week, I'd say I drop 2 videos a day. Try to keep it, you know, where it'd go all the way through the week. Or you could go to our test drive videos, which I haven't done any this week. So you'll have to wait on those as well. But there'll be 1 coming out today, 2 coming out tomorrow, and so on. I think we got, what, 10 new cars going on? This is our sold bay. Needs to be a wash bay right now. It got dusty. It's been very windy after that storm, so understandable. All right, guys. Again, thank you for watching. And sorry for such a rushed walk. It was actually pretty long before the footage got deleted. Me over here rushing, didn't put a battery in it. That's what I get. All right, guys. Thanks for watching.